现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Give me a beat. As Huang Zixuan counts into the song, let's talk about it. It's called Nui San Gong Lu. Hi, my name is Joseph Lin, and this is another great Hakka song, and it's a song about Taiwan's provincial road number 3, and a lot of memories of Huang Zixuan growing up on this road. He wants to share the romance of how this road is able to share space with the sky and earth, coexist with the mountains and rivers, and how one can enjoy the sun and the air while cruising on this road. All right, let's take a listen to Nui San Gong Lu.
一点钟，一把弓长，你忙爱打透明。一三年嘅离婚，浪漫松快，行家行慢嘅 tempo 起家咯。不是地相爱，那条路难跑。不是地相爱，终点很既然。总得兄弟呀条路，一一落落。让天山美山中爱，行船路路，行里山途，用你所有最美天山和美山。那年爱给太保护，平安就太下落，从南边黑爱给躺下落波家做pom的，顺着那条水正好一流空爱嘅梦境，满天星的土老爱共好多转移，不是你相爱，终点在哪边？爱莫带的边，爱手一的边，总系兄弟呀条路。
这首黄子轩与三平冠的一首歌叫做《内山公路》（Nui San Gong Lu）。其实 Nui San Gong Lu 是哪里呢？就是指台山县。在新竹长大的他呢，用这首歌来描述他对台山县的浪漫哦，在讲说可以跟天地共居，与山水共存，还可以享受太阳，可以呼吸新鲜空气，在公路上的移动，非常轻快的这个节奏，很有 road trip 的感觉哦。All right, that does it for today's Hakka song on ICRT. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.